I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on, man? What you running in here?
I got a 15 on a 1,000 watt amp.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, bro. You on social media anywhere?
No, I just started doing it.
You just started
Everything's stock, but that's
Yeah.
speakers and everything.
Man, sound good. I heard it when you were coming down. I said, I gotta check them out. Yeah, man, it sound good, man. Man, I definitely look forward to seeing you, progress. I know you'll do something else eventually.
Yeah, I have a 91 I'm building. I'm gonna put a 15 212s in there.
Yeah.
And I got 4 DS18 door speakers.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be loud. Yeah.
And then after that, I got a Tahoe that I'm gonna start working on.
Yeah. I was like, when we do this bass stuff, we always just keep on doing something, You go to a lot of shows around this area?
This is my first one.
Yeah, it's my first one coming down here too, but
I live around here.
You do?
I live 10 minutes.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm gonna say we'll be back down this way coming up soon. I look to see you there, bro. Appreciate it, man. Thank you, man.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.